Welcome back, everybody. Hope everybody's doing good. As you can see from the little time lapse at the beginning, I got the curved form built for the roof panel. You can see it's got a little bit of curve there. So anyway, glad I got that done. I am waiting on, I'm waiting to go buy some aluminum. I'm using 1x3/8 aluminum rectangular tube. The roof is going to have one on each side and then one going across to tie the mounts in for the roof hinges, because I want to make sure that that's nice and sturdy. I don't want anything ripping out of the fiberglass and the foam. I just think it'd be better to tie them together and have them bolt into something really solid. So aluminum tube it is. And then at the front, at this end of the roof, there's, I'll show you the model right here, but so I've got two latches up at the front and then the hinges at the back. You can see where the hinges are going to go. So anyway, that's coming along. Like I said, I got to wait for aluminum to come back in stock at my local supply place, hopefully on Monday. I just ordered all of the aluminum trim that's going to go around the whole outside here, and then on the inside, you know, around the roof opening, I've got aluminum that goes on the inside and the outside of that to strengthen the roof, to cover the fiberglass edges, and to have something to attach the canvas to. So multi-purpose angles. And I had to order 144 feet of angle to do all that. It's insane. I knew it'd be a little bit, but I didn't know it's going to be 144 feet. So that was like $320 worth of aluminum. So that was a little bit of an ouch, but I got to have it. So, oh, and here's the next thing. Been working on some wiring, and I have marker lights, and I've got a nice third brake light up there, and license plate light is working, which is awesome. So that's coming along pretty good. I was actually just working on getting some stuff done for these front lights. I don't know if you'll be able to see any of that under there, but I've got a little junction box, and then I'm actually going to be running those marker light wires inside in this tube here. So I'm coming up through the floor and running across and down through the floor in the middle for both of those marker lights. So one other thing that I got done was I got these step lights in. And let me hook them up so you can see them going. There we go. There's my step lights. So that'll be kind of nice when we're wanting to, those are going to be on their own switch here. The switch panel is going to go right here. So those will be on their own switch. So we can just leave those and everything else off so that we can see when we're getting into the trailer at night. And then also over here, I have bought some really nice rock lights to go for underbody lights, and I also then went ahead and designed some better mounts, some little standoffs for them, and 3D printed them. So those should work pretty good. Those are extremely bright for how small they are. I can't remember how many lumens they are, but they're actually really bright. So I'm going to have a minimum of two. I'm going to have one on each side underneath towards the front of the trailer. I haven't decided if I'm putting any at the back yet, just because of logistics of getting the wires up to the front and hooked into the switch. I kind of got to go under some cross members. I don't know if I'm going to do that or not. So I've got four, so I'm at least going to put two on there, possibly four, if I can figure out how to do it cleanly, because I don't want wires hanging out and exposed real bad for rock damage or whatever. So anyway, oh, and then I got some aluminum here for a couple of spots on the inside. There's a couple, still 2 spots where there's some fiberglass edges exposed, so I'm going to cover those up with some 2x2. So anyway, that's the short update this weekend. So hoping to get some aluminum early next week and get that all cut and figured out, get some skin sanded, so possibly the roof panel is going to get laminated next weekend, but we'll see how it goes, possibly the weekend after that. So anyway, hope everybody's doing great, and thanks for watching, and share it with somebody you think might be interested in this project, and I'll see you guys next time.